But it's great to see Kennar Lewis out there. We were concerned about him.
Oh, can't bowl there, pick the bones out of this one. One bounce for 4. There's our first boundary of match 10 here.
Going, just bowl the ball.
So I can do that to you.
Lucky one, lucky boy.
Mustafa pumped through extra cover here.
Ace it through the offside.
Oh, unlucky.
Back-to-back boundaries for Colin Cadmore. That is a delightful stroke indeed.
Fine.
And boom! 3 in a row to finish the second. 13 off it. It's 22 without. Ah, it's a rip at a start. He pulls out this one. Big smile on the dial, and absolutely, because it's Obed McCoy's first one here in season 4 in Abu Dhabi.
Ah, clever bowling. First delivery that he comes into bowl, they're thinking it's going to come quick. Not slower ball out the back of the hand, seam perfectly upright, which means the ball, he is bowling with the breeze. So it may not go all the way, and there's a chance. Oh no, put down. Overton, I don't know what he's pointing at.
Another week.
Go!
It's flat again, and it's a full toss, and it got what it deserved. Through mid-wicket for 4. Oh dear, Paul Sterling. They're going to disappear. And some. Do not bowl. Well, he's got hold of this, has he? Yes. Colin Cadmore on the charge. And there's a maximum of note with the breeze.
Well, he smashed it. He's broken the glass. No more water for anyone. No more My Dubai water. But just powerfully hit. The ball was certainly in the slot to be hit down the ground. He got a good piece of it. And yeah, smashed. A glass with your water, Danny?
Well, I thought they might. And again with the breeze. Tommy KC. All the way, sir. Back-to-back 6. He goes a bit shorter this time. 3 in a row. Tom Colin Cadmore, 22 off the.
This one over the offside and all the way. What a great strike that is. Mustafa. That's good. Clever out though, straight to Chris Gale. Takes the catch. Chadwick Walton falls to Mustafa.
Yeah, big smile from Chris Gale. Stood in the right place. Mustafa gets his little dancer out of the bag. Here we go, full. Just help round the corner. Don't come easier than that. Chris Gale points to the crowd. Yes, that.
Gets a little under edge first up, and he'll pick up a boundary. Just evaded the keeper, and down to the third man boundary for.
Quite a lot, and it's one of these games where you got to be on the money straight away.
And don't you ever. You know, we talk a lot at the T10. There's such an opportunity for young players to learn from legends, but also for...
Keep things simple, to be honest. Best ball, try and bowl our best ball and see what happens. I mean, guys like that, when they get going, it's hard to...
Yeah, all right, that's a wicket. We should throw back up to you guys.
Well, Kabir Ali has brought about a wicket. Thanks very much for your time. Thank you too, Alex. A slower ball, another one from Obed McCoy. Just no pace on it at all. Couldn't get it past the keeper.
Yeah, back of the hand again. Very impressive by the real McCoy. That ramp shot when there's no pace on the ball, very hard to get it.
I'm here down to third man, all the way downwind. 6 for Devon Thomas. Slower ball, get the Yorker in. Oh, that's crunched all the way up onto the bank. He's absolutely smashed that. Devon Thomas, back to back. Crunched through the offside for 4. Set up for that slow one. Wait for it. Punish it.
Yeah, no mistake.
Big side into the gap from Kohler Cadmore. KC in the sunshine without the band. 47 he was on. He's now on 53 and he's got a half century. Kohler Cadmore, brilliant. 21 balls. 116 for 3 after 9.
Wanted that catch.
High, hard, handsome into the wind. Another 6. Wonderful hitting. Another wide, another slow ball, another wide, another opportunity to run out. I think this one might be closer. We're going to go upstairs and have a look at this. Last ball it would have been, but it's a wide, so he'll have to re-bowl it.
Yeah, you just want to get off the field now. Yeah, he's gone. Very well done by the bowler as well. Rather than carry the ball all the way to the stumps, had the foresight to let go of it. Let the ball do the last feet or 2 of travel.
There's trouble here. There's trouble here for Pune because no one's padded. Short, pulled around the corner. Is a good short ball. Actually cramped them up for room. They'll just get one, you would think, and that's all it'll be. It's a very good innings of batting, though. 129. It means that Abu Dhabi will need 130, so they're going to have to go some to get those, and it's a very good batting performance. First up from the Pune Devils.
Yeah, fine effort. Tom Kohler Cadmore as well. Leading run scorer in the tournament now. He batted absolutely magnificently today. Strong hitting down the ground.
Oh, and it's a beauty. Really is a good start. A bit of line and length from the left-arm paceman.
Well, this is almost
delightful, and it hasn't found a fielder on the fence. It has found the advertising and some. Beautiful. Bottom of the blade, but it'll still race away for 4. That'll feel good, or better, for Sterlo. Starts with a line and length delivery that it disappears. Yeah, went the distance. That was a bit better from Sterlo. 4-leaf clover. Went straight here, and that has been whipped. So 6 and 4 to start. Bullion. He's got a lot to do in this over to Claude. He's banged us in. Banged it in and disappeared. Catch in the deep, but it's over the fence. 6. And there you have one. The player of the series in the inaugural season of T10, Hardness for Newen. And he's got one right here. He just changed it up and took some pace off the ball. And Sterling tried to thrash it away, but he's come second, and he's out of here.
well, he got width, did well to reach it, very low, bottom edge almost, just through to the kick.
Oh, yes, he can. That is a sweet, sweet start from Clark.
This guy could play.
A shimmy across to the offside. Clark looking out deep and does the job. What a big bit. So easily. Oh, it disappears with a bottom chunk from Dark and Stormy. Big chop on, and he's missed out again. Has this big Jamaican.
Oh, what a moment for Karen KC. It's a length ball. It just doesn't bounce. Doesn't bounce much. Probably not much pace on it.
Just try to do your ball Yorker as I do. So nothing much for the spinner in this wicket.
Right, but take me to that wicket that you took of Chadwick Walton and Gail Cotton. Was that Sanga's plan?
He's striking at 400. And he wants some more. That thick edge will go nicely. One bounce over third. Another boundary. And again. Can't set a field for this, it would seem. 4 in a row from Joe Clark. Clark looking out deep. Oh, and remarkably, it almost goes for 6, but it's 5 fours in a row for in a rich vein. And that is beautifully bowled. So much slower. And he's defeated Luke Wright with a peach here, has Raza.
Well, this guy's a quality bowler. Very surprised he didn't get picked up in the initial draft. Came in as a late addition. He's a top-class bowler.
Oh, swatted downtown. 1 bounce for 4. Clark is kicking on here. Off here, Raza.
Get it, move!
And Lewis won't get there. Clark is just playing out of his skin here. He's striking it.
What have you made of it so far?
Oh, this is how to chase down a big total. That's 4 more. Reverse sweep, hit hard, just behind square. This is how to do it. Least down. I was going, please don't play that shot. This one's a normal sweep. Has it gone all the way? It has. So 4 and a 6 to start the over. Ben Duckett's not messing around.
Was out on the leg side. Oh, this one's big. Yep. You're going to have to fetch that. This is a huge over. Well, this is high. Who wants it? Who wants it? Hardisvillion wants it, and he takes it as well. Is that the breakthrough for Pune Devils?
Well, Ben Duckett, very breezy 20. Just, this will sound strange, but got bogged down in the later stage of his innings. Just the last 2 or 3 balls, tried to overhit it. Didn't really get a solid base to play that stroke. Very good catch.
Bowled him. Hardisvillion comes on, does exactly what his skipper needs. He picks up wickets just to change the momentum to the Pune Devils.
Wow, what a turnaround. 2 big balls, Duckett and Clark gone. That's why you pay the big bucks for Villiers.
Well, gone hard to the leg side and finds the gap. So Jamie Overton just giving at.
Great time to finish the game of cricket. Oh, what about this one from Overton? Beautiful strike. Swing of the arm, straight down the ground for 6.
Cut. No, the short one. And he's tickled it, got something on it. I don't know if that's the right type of delivery to bowl right now. Tries to go wide again, and Overton's got enough. He did not get that out of the middle. Oh, yep. This is easy pickings. Poor bowling by Mohammad Amir.
For the offside. And now strong down the ground again. Full, just missing the Yorker slot, and this has gone a country mile.
Oh, he's going to finish it, isn't he? Yeah. Back-to-back 6s. Team Abu Dhabi have level. Devils know what's going to happen. Here's a chance to pick up a wicket. It's the skipper who puts it down. Game is done and dusted. Team Abu Dhabi win by 5 wickets.
Over. A shot we've seen very often today, short of a length. He's just rocked back and pulled it over deep backward square leg for yet another boundary.
He's got this great way of just transferring his balance back onto his back foot and getting underneath the ball with his hands, and just seems to time it away just behind square.
No.
Kevin O'Brien lucky to get away with that delivery down leg side. Just interestingly for me, the Irish bowlers are bowling round the wicket to him. Just wonder whether or not they're bowling into his arc. The vast majority of boundaries that Sharjeel Khan has hit so far today have been on the leg side. Might be interested to see them going across him. Can make him hit through the offside.
Certainly is a strength of his. regardless of spin or seam, he always seems to favour the leg side. And I think they've just been listening to our commentary out there by the looks of it.
Magnificent shots from Sharjeel again, picked up, but this time well over the square leg boundary for another maximum.
Well, it doesn't matter if you bowl over the wicket or around the wicket. He is hot on that shot. He's got this great ability to just little forward press and just transfer a weight, and he allows his hands to get underneath the ball and always seems to middle it straight into the crowd.